How to check laptop model. Click on the Start. Select Settings. This action will open the settings page of your PC. Scroll down the page. Click on About. The next page that opens shows the details about your PC. But we are talking about, our interest here is on the laptop model. So the model of this laptop, which is at the top part of the screen right now, is HP Laptop 15-DW1SXX. So let's see another way we can do that. Another way you can do that is click into this search pin at the taskbar of your PC by default. Then search system information. You can see it has shown up. Tap on it for it to open. As you can see now, it has opened. Under system model, you can see the model of this laptop, which is HP Laptop 15-DW1SXS. It's the same thing with the one we saw through the settings page. I hope this guide helps. Like and subscribe and see you next time.